Hey, all, this is a vlog on this vlog channel. I just set you guys down. I'm gonna take this key. Okay. That sounds really bad. Anyways, it's a bit snowy, but whatever. My girlfriend's pissed at me. I just feel like that sucks. But whatever. Hopefully, it won't end too horribly. I'm wearing shorts. Yeah, I'm an idiot. So this is my vlog channel. No clue what I'm going to be doing on it. Secondary channel. It's pretty damn cold out here. But yeah. First channel got partnered. See how long it takes to get this one partnered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Adios.